If you've forgotten your DoorDash password or want to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app or website. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Step 2. Click on Sign In. On the app or website, locate the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your DoorDash account in the provided field. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the reset link. Step 5. Follow the email instructions. Check your email for a password reset link from DoorDash. Click on the link and follow the prompts to create a new password. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for further assistance.